Boys, I have done it. I am free. The finals are over. Winter break has begun. Vlogmas has begun, and if you're new to the channel, you may not remember last year, but I'm sure if you've seen any YouTube channel ever, or you watch YouTube at all, you've heard of Vlogmas. So unfortunately, I'm not able to start Vlogmas on December 1st. I wish that I could do like December 1st all the way to Christmas, but because finals week is always the first week of December for me, I kind of can't start until a little bit afterwards. So right now it's like the 10th, but I think I'm gonna start uploading on the 12th or 13th. I think last year I did 12 days of Vlogmas because it kind of fit the Christmas theme. So if I'm gonna do that again this year, then this video will come out on the 13th. But I might do the 12th if I just want to put a bonus video in there, so I'm not exactly sure yet. But we have a lot to do. As you can see, there are boxes down here. There is an engine under that tarp. There is the GT350 bumper, which I haven't forgotten about. I still have a lot of work I need to do on this, and it's gonna be a time-consuming process. But I've decided that instead of just continuing on with just the rear bumper, we're just gonna work on the entire body kit in general. So there's still some components that I haven't even shown you guys yet that I wanna get to. But in today's episode, I'm not sure exactly how far we're gonna get, but we're gonna start with just setting up all of this. Oh, and by the way, since I'm daily vlogging, you're gonna wanna subscribe and turn on the post notifications because there's gonna be a new video every day for the next couple weeks, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So this here was an early Christmas gift from my dad. Big shout out to him. He's helped me so much throughout the last few years of me running this YouTube channel, and I honestly can't thank him enough for this, but he bought me this engine crane for Christmas, and this is gonna be a game changer. The reason why the stock engine for the 944 has been sitting in the corner for so long is because like I got it put back together, and then I just reached a point where I was like, okay, how the heck am I gonna get this into the car? I could always borrow the cherry picker from Garrett, but I didn't know how long I was gonna need it, and it was always just kind of frustrating to like ask somebody if I could borrow their equipment, and you know, I need an engine crane so I can do the type of projects that I'm trying to do. So this is the 2-ton folding engine crane. The other thing that was important was that it needed to be able to fold up because I do not have that much space in this garage, and the space that I do have is, well, it's quite occupied. So we're gonna start by assembling this today. I don't imagine it'll take too long, but I've never put one together, so it should be pretty exciting. So I already kind of started opening this stuff, but this here is the base, and I believe these are instructions. And I know normally I just take the instructions and toss them, but this thing is a little bit intricate, so I think I'm actually gonna read the instruction manual real quick, and then we'll figure this out. This is like the mechanic equivalent of like setting up a Lego set. It has all these little diagrams, and it's like, this part in bag A will go into this hole. So yeah, I think I need to just start like pulling all the stuff out. We got some cool little wheels. Oh God. Sick cardboard. More cardboard. More cardboard. More cardboard. Oh, okay, there's something heavy in that piece of cardboard. Ow. So, this is the base, and yeah, that's all I know so far. I thought I heard somebody. Damn, bro, look at those sick wheels. Are those like phone dials from a 944? This is, oh, I think this goes on the back, and you like can move the engine front to back, you know? This might be the heaviest component on the whole thing. Oh my God. Okay, not this. not this. The other thing that you guys can't see, I promise. I'm not that weak. This is the self-defense mechanism that it comes with in case someone tries to steal your engine stand. You just... Oh my God. What the heck? It's like a rain stick. This is a heavy-duty 8-ton long ram bottle jack, basically. 8 tons is a lot. If you don't know how much a ton is, that's 2,000 pounds. Or roughly my body weight currently. So this is like 8 of me, or 16,000 pounds, which is just a lot. I don't have anything that weighs 6. That's like if I wanted to raise up the corner of this house, I would use this. And I think that's it for this box. What is going on? There's like a bunch of... What is all this? Hope that's not important. Let's move on to that box. Oh boy. Spider-Man could swing off of this thing. Oh my god, it's fat. Oh, we're getting into some heavy-duty stuff, boys. Box of hardware, nice. I don't think I'm gonna pull these out yet. They're just giant beams, and there's more wheels, but I think you guys get the idea. Oh, and I think there's a couple little, there's a couple little thin boys in here too, but other than that, you can pretty much see the whole thing right here, so I'm gonna start figuring out where to start with this. Wow. All right. So putting these casters on has been kind of a pain because you have to put a nut on the inside of this frame, and I can't like put my hand far enough in there to get into like all the way to the bolts. So I finally got them on, but gosh, that took forever. What the heck? My hands are way too fat. Okay. I need to phone a friend. I need your help.
Why?
Because my hands are too big. Can you just get over here?
No.
Kaylee, please. You think Jordan would do it?
No.
Yeah, see? You're my only hope. Can you please come over here?
What is it?
I just need your help to tighten a bolt.
Can it wait 20 minutes so that I can stop on my way to work?
20 minutes? No.
I don't want to get up. It's 20 minutes or nothing.
Fine.
How can I?
Well, looks like I just have to wait, boys.
20 minutes later.
I need to stand where you're standing.
Okay.
Oh, it just came off.
Did you just loosen it? Oh my god. Are you kidding me? How the heck can you fit your entire hand in there?
Oh my gosh, why won't it like...
Yeah, see, it's annoying.
Oh, I can't get it to go any tighter.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now, this one. Kaylee, please. And then this has to go on the end of it, and then...
Holy fuck. It's like crooked.
What do you mean it's great? Are you cross-threading it?
No. It's because the wheel wasn't sitting all the way up, so it was like making it.
Oh, dang. You should just take over this YouTube channel. You got an explanation for everything. The wheel wasn't sitting right, so it wasn't allowing the threads to go.
Shut the fuck up. I'll be late to work.
You're not gonna be late to work. You've been here for like 90 seconds.
Man, why didn't you get longer bolts?
Yeah, it came with like the shortest bolts possible.
Jeez.
They're cutting down on cost, I guess.
Hell yeah.
You like just got ready for work and like...
On the freaking floor of your garage.
Yeah. I mean, if you can't get it, I could figure it out somehow. I don't want to delay you if you're going to work.
Got it.
She got it.
We got it.
Yay! Okay, now we gotta do the other one. If you have to leave, oh crap. Okay, wait, let's see the ring. Joey and Kaylee got engaged.
Woohoo!
Congratulations to them. And then they're moving out next year, so I don't know who's gonna move into their side, but it's gonna be so sad. Bye.
Let's see if we can do this.
I mean, your hands are like the same size
Well,
as
they're
mine.
like the same
Can
size
you
as
like
mine.
even?
Let's see.
No.
No.
Your hands are like bigger than mine.
Yeah, there's no way.
I don't know what the heck I'm supposed to do.
I don't know how you're supposed to do that.
I Snapchatted this other girl, Emily, and I'm like, "How big are your hands?" And she's like, "What?" And I was like, I need your help. I'm desperate. I don't know what to do.
Get another woman.
Yeah, I gotta find a girl. Well, I guess I'm just gonna have to find another girl. Oh my gosh, I haven't called this girl in forever. Man, if I wasn't such a prick, I would have a lot more friends that are girls. Please answer. Oh my gosh, she hung up. Who else could I text? The heck is she doing? What could she possibly be doing that is more important than this? Oh crap. She said she's showering. That's embarrassing. Alright, I texted her and I said, I need your help with something. It's an emergency. Oh, she typing. What'd she say? I need someone with small hands. Oh boy. She said, I'm literally in the shower. I just rinsed out my shampoo. What do I need to do? It won't take that long. I just can't reach a bolt. Please. The vlog is depending on it. Oh, she said fine. Alright, we found another girl.
Later.
Okay, so it has now been an hour and a half since I reached out to Hunter, but she is here. So, I gotta let her in. Dude, it's dark outside now.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
I need your help.
And it gets dark at like 4:45, so.
Well, yeah. But still. Okay, you see this wheel? So these bolts have to like go through like this, and then these little, like, this washer has to go on the end of it, on the inside.
And then the nut has to go on.
Yeah. So, I think maybe
How do
turning
you
it to
get
the
your
side
hand?
might, you have to reach in here.
Really?
Yes. And I can't. You are saving my ass right now.
I know.
I've been at this for hours.
Just trying to figure out how to get your hand in here.
Yes.
Not going on straight. Get your hand out of there. I can't see anything.
Just try to feel.
I don't understand these washers. They don't make sense.
They're lock washers.
So how am I supposed to put it on?
Just like a normal washer. It doesn't have to tighten all the way down. Just, I can, once it's threaded on, I can reach in there with a wrench.
Okay.
You're just staying here all break?
Yeah, but I'm only scheduled 14 hours each week over break. So I have Tuesdays and Wednesdays off now. And the whole weekend's off. So I'm like, I'm just gonna go home next Tuesday and Wednesday.
Come hang out with the boys. Okay, have fun at work. Thank you. Okay, let's finish getting this thing put together now. Alright, so I have one final touch to put on the engine crane, and that's this like engine leveler thing. I bought this a while ago when I was going to borrow somebody else's engine stand, and then I just, I ended up not, and so it's just kind of been sitting for a while, but I want to put this on here. Hold on, I might have to set you guys down. Alright, so basically, the way this works is you would mount the engine to it, and then you have a little crank on the end, so you can twist this thing around. And as you get further to one side, it's kind of like a seesaw or like a cantilever or whatever. And so it would make it so that way the engine can go at an angle like this, so you can see it's no longer level because it's not in the middle. And these are just really nice for like when you're putting an engine in and you need to like adjust the pitch as you're going in, because a lot of times, especially with the 944 from what I've heard, it can be kind of a pain to like put the freaking engine in. So I'm hoping that this will help me a bit. I would like to test it out tonight, but getting it all the way over there to the engine is going to require some more episodes of Vlogmas, I guess, to kind of work through all of this stuff and kind of reallocate things. I'm pretty sure it's going to work. I mean, it is fully assembled properly, and it does say 2 tons, so I think we're good. I think it's done. Everything is on there. All the bolts are tightened. I was hoping that this wasn't going to take that long so I could actually start working on the bumper a little bit too. But, I mean, it took Hunter like an hour and a half to get dressed, so... I'm sorry, I don't want to be rude to Hunter. I need to go and edit this video anyway, so today's video is probably going to be a short one, but I hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications because I'm going to be daily uploading for the next couple weeks, so I hope you guys are looking forward to that. And, we're going to start sifting through this mess because I can't even pull a car in here right now. Oh, gosh. Yeah, it's bad. Every time I come in here to do laundry, I just kind of, I cry a little bit. Well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out and dream big.